Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to hide or show the labels for icon application on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So the first step of the operation will be opening the settings and scrolling down in the settings until you find the home screen section. Here, scroll down a bit until you find the app labels. Toggle it, and now if we go back to the main page of the phone, as you can see, the labels are shown again. If we disable it, the unlock situation will happen. So if you enjoyed this video and you consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and maybe leave a comment. Thanks for watching.